Yo, the amount of
Do
times.
that again.
The amount of times we do that.
That seemed nice.
Bro, there's already a filter. Oh, is this thing bolted in there? Bro, it is! Oh yeah, I got that. I'll get that out for you.
Had an exhaust job fix it.
Bro, you just ripped it out.
I did that.
What's going on down
Dude,
here?
hold this back for me. Hold it back, hold him back.
That got rid of a lot of stuff.
No, Will, god damn.
Bro, this thing needs to be shaved down a little bit. Let's just put it on like that. Oh, do we have electrical tape? We can tighten the seal a little bit.
Yeah, but like yellow tape, bro.
But this tape is beat.
What are you doing right now? No.
I'm wrapping this with this horrible tape. Yeah, we're gonna put it. Alright, bro, it's good, it's good.
It's on there.
Alright. Oh, wait, hold on.
That's nice.
That seems good.
So do it while I'm under here.
Alright, Noah's taking off the sound deadening for some more intake noise.
That's heat.
No, it's just for the.
That's for the windshield wipers.
That was all the good, important stuff. Bro, I should just open hood this bitch. Apparently it dies in heavy rain.
You gonna do weight reduction to this?
We can't take the back seats out because they're too comfy, bro.
Okay, that's understandable.
Yeah, Noah. For some reason, when the guy sold us this, he said no take seats, back seats.
Here's how you're gonna do this. It's a very complex process. You take your black tape, right?
Yeah.
And you rip it
Uh-huh.
size according. You're just gonna get that in there on either side. And then you grab this side and you kind of just tape it another direction. This is
Oh
gonna be
my
wonderful.
god. Will, what do you think about that?
I think that's great.
Oh, that moves around a lot, Noah.
Yeah, it's cool though. Oh shit. That's
That looks sick, bro.
That looks kind of dope.
This car came with only one mirror, so I'm putting one from Liam's E36. Thank you, Liam. We love you, Liam. And we're putting it on there.
Bro, this is the worst way to be cutting this thing.
Dude, 25 years, bro.
However, it works. Yeah, this thing is not meant for this.
You literally like.
Yeah, but do we have a drill?
Do you have a drill?
Self-tap.
Jesus, bro. Oh, bro, this is not gonna work. Oh, right in the metal. Come on.
Yes! One!
It's on.
Ow, that's hot.
Oh my god.
That is on, bro. That's a mirror.
What are you doing?
Stripe.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
I'm making the black stripe. No, you're getting a black stripe. Whether you like it or not. Yo, the amount of
Do
times.
that again.
The amount of times we do that.
That seemed nice. No, Nick.
Nick did find this car.
Hey, Alex. Come with me.
Black.
Bro, don't be doing that.
No, I'm taking off this. More.
No, bro, no. Don't even bother. No, because it's gonna get the window, bro.
No, more.
That's a fat. Oh, bro. Just barely. Bro, this one's a fat chode.
That's why it goes there, and it'll just hold it stable. That's the perfect spot.
Alright, get the drill bit. Stop writing stuff!
No, it's essential.
Give her a quick shine before the show.
Oh, yeah. There's a bit.
Wow, that one
Bro,
disappeared.
this Oxford run cleans up real nice.
Wait, try to keep it as quiet as possible.
I'm trying. We're gonna need some gas on the way back.
We're gonna
Want
need
your heated seat? Yes, you do.
yeah. Seatbelt on. Brake linings. Is that what that says?
Shot.
Brake linings. What are brake linings?
It's not slow. Like,
No,
I'm not even. I haven't even been full throttle.
Well,
yet.
Ooh, that was smooth.
Do you hear a difference?
What do you mean?
I hear a little bit of an intake difference. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta fine tune my ears.
Oh, that's a behemoth.
That's a
fallen tree.
Holy crap.
Dude, even in the E34 air on, look at all the scrapage.
yeah, bro.